Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to record microphone audio on PC, and it will be a quick and step-by-step breakdown. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already in application that name is Audacity. So in your computer you just need to be download it from that place. Just click over here Audacity, and then you will get this link. Just visit that place and click any version you want, just download it, and then you are allowed to install Audacity. Once you download Audacity, now you have the access to record your voice with Audacity, and this is one of the simplest way to record your voice. So the process, let's start a recording. So just click over here in the right for record, just click over here. Hey, I hope you guys doing really well, and welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video we are going to talk about how to record our audio in Audacity. So I hope you love this video. So please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. So after recording this voice, now you are allowed to hear this voice. Let's go and check out our voice and let's see how it was looking. So let's start hearing. Hey, I hope you guys doing very well, and welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing very well, and in this video we are going to talk about how to record. So hey, I hope you guys. So as you can see, this is the result. We already recorded our audio in Audacity by using Audacity. So the process is really simple, and you can do many more with the Audacity. You can reduce the voice, you can reduce the noise too. And also we have various other applications you are allowed to use. You can use like this platform, it's called OBS Studio to recording your voice. Then we have CapCut too. So here we have various options, but in this option Audacity may be the perfect, or I can say the good one. So I hope you love this video, and if you think this video was really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.